What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Share Go, and today we're gonna hop in the EXP and go do a full detail and paint correction on it. Let's go. I'm here with Thomas, the guy who bought my Range Rover. We've talked about it before. He's got everything fixed on the Range Rover, and he's also an excellent detailer. So, I know we talked about it. We are going to clean this thing, and I feel like it's gonna look brand new. I am super excited about that. But first, Thomas wants to sell the Range Rover. He's done with his Range things. It's got, what? The heads were resurfaced,
new head gasket, all new gaskets from the top end of the motor. It has brand new tires.
What were the tires? Oh, Falcons?
They're Falcon off-road tires.
Off-road ones. They're pretty big too. It's way bigger than the stock tire size. And it looks great because the Range Rover is not on air. It's been converted to a spring setup, so you've got plenty of height and ready to off-road.
Absolutely. I got rid of as many rattles as I could on the inside of it.
Sure.
So, it really is a good riding vehicle. I just travel out of town a lot. I need more of a car.
And it's probably clean now, I would assume.
Yes.
Awesome.
If you were here during the Range Rover days, you remember how loud this thing was, sounded like a steam engine. It's so smooth now. It runs great. And it's so much faster too. Look at that.
Now, it's time to clean this. So you guys saw it as I bought it. I mean, we've got these decals on it. We've got dice in the mirror. Look, the dice in the mirror, I don't know, leave a comment below if they're staying or not. They're not staying. And there's a sticker over there. And of course the back is full of trash, and it's a mess. The interior's a mess. And you can see all the dirt, and the tires are just covered in dirt. We'll get a wheel brush in there, get some of the dirt out of those wheels. We can get under the louvers. The louvers are really cool. They're hinged and they lift up so you can clean the back glass. So that's exciting. We've got the dirt in the gas cap and everything like that. That'll need a little bit of brushing out. But you know what? We're gonna get after it, and I think this thing is going to shine as much as a car can shine with dead clear coat on all the...
It's gonna be Gucci flip-flop.
Yeah. It's time to take out the $3,000 of LEDs that were installed by the last owner. I know all the comments said, $3,000 of what, LEDs? I was like, that's pretty funny, guys. So there goes the first one. Here goes the next one. I'm gonna have to work pretty hard to get all this foam off of there. This foam didn't come off at all, so that one's gonna be a chore. Here's some more. Ripping that off. Man, this stuff is a disaster. These things are leaving adhesive and adhesive residue all over the place. There's the one from the controller. Got that out of there. Air fresheners. Look, you don't need air fresheners like this in your car. If your car is clean, it doesn't need to be filled with air fresheners, you know? Trash. Buckets. The Christmas tree's going away. I'm not into Christmas trees. I know some people think it's the classic move. Sorry if you like them, they're gone. All right, so we've got some oil seal box that appears to be empty. Heavy duty Type-C charger. Unified School District. What's this? This is a bill. That is a bill. Arby's coupons. Are these still good? Hey man, you wanna go to Arby's real quick? I'm just kidding, they're not. You're like, of course I do. Bunch of receipts. All right, what else we have back here? Hotel room key, Wichita's gold cap. Huh, somebody's been to Wichita lately. I don't see this oil seal, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll set the box aside. I can't throw it away in case I find the oil seal. Got an extra headlight back there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cargo cover in. I don't know what we're gonna do with these mats. I'm gonna save all of that. Those O'Reilly's receipts are from me. What is this? Another Unified School District envelope. And then I'm gonna pull out all these USB chargers and tools and things like that that are left in here. Brochure, factory manual. Set that over here. LEDs over here. A little pre-soak. Man, there's a lot of brake dust on there. Hey, Zach hasn't taken all of his tools out of here yet, so I can use his little chiseler, hopefully, to take this decal off. Oh, that's coming off pretty well. Just kidding. It suddenly cracked. I need a razor blade. Hey, Zach, thanks again. The little chiseler failed, but you've got real razor blades too. Razor blade montage? time to hop in the passenger side and do some more cleanup. Let's see, we got a screw right there. Check. There's a bunch of hose clamps in here. Apparently this door pocket is exclusively for hose clamps and vacuum line, or maybe that's a spark plug comb. It might be a vacuum line comb. Yeah, that one's cleaned out. We got an Allen wrench hanging out right here. Free Allen wrench. And looks like a socket right here. Is that a, oh man, I thought I hit the jackpot and had a 10 millimeter. Would have made the car worth more. But it is not. It is a 5/32, 1/4 inch drive. Here in the center console, we've got a USB charger, some trash, and a bunch of change. Gotta trash all that stuff there. Also this pin that says Caveman or something? Unleashed? Can't really tell what that says. And behind the seat we found, what is that? A little Fram filter, a Fram well, it's a MicroGuard 33081 and it crosses to a Fram G3596. I don't know what that is, and a bunch of quarters. So, free money. Now I paid $1,499. What do you guys think about that? It's a deal of the century. Also, there's these covers. I don't know where they go, but we'll figure it out. Oh, look at those wheels cleaning up. This car's gonna look new, especially if I mask this stuff off and spray the bumper, it would look brand new. It's just that he's never seen so much dirt. Hit it. That is a lot of dirt, and I'm gonna start squeegeeing all the dirty water out of the garage. He's really just only touched the surface of it and the dirt's flying off. This is Thomas's synthetic clay. He's basically just clayed this. Holy crap. The doors feel brand new. They were so bad before. Like you'd run your hand across it and it felt like, I don't know, 2,000 grit sandpaper, so you know it's full of contaminants. But after going across it with that synthetic clay, just look at the dirt coming out of the doors. Or all the entire body, actually.
Like even look at this.
That's impressive. This car is going to be outrageously clean for what it is. Turned the whole hand gray. Wow, I can't wait till we get inside this too. It's gonna really clean up. There's dust all over it. And this is one of the only EXPs left that doesn't have a cracked dash. Lots of people have commented about the dash on other forums and stuff like that. Look how clean this thing is. Thomas is getting it over here, doing the wipe down after the synthetic clay and a quick rinse. There's not a lot of clear coat left to save, but what there is coming back and it looks great. And honestly, the fenders, where there is clear, they feel super good, brand new. And then we're gonna try to restore a little bit of this black, but I think I'm gonna need to mask all this and paint the black to really clean the trim up. But it's getting there, slowly but surely.
Bronze.
Ooh. Thomas is polishing away over here and it actually looks like a nice clean car. I'm impressed. I mean, there's no way we're fixing the horizontal surfaces there, but the vertical surfaces, they look good. Over here, the Underground Racing decals are coming off the Huracan because these ones were like a really ugly puke green and the OG ones are 751 lime tree green. So let's get these off of here. Oh yeah, it's back. I mean, I should have said that first. Look at those Takata harnesses. All right, we're getting the new underground decals on the Huracan over here. So much better. That one's on, and then we're gonna, I got the other ones off the sides, and it's time to put on the big underground decals. Pumped. Underground decals are done. Wrap update for you guys, it's all done, except the handles, the OEM handles are getting painted because these ones are not great. And the grill is painted. Look at that. Thomas got the door polished up, and now he's throwing some sealant on all the surfaces that polished out, and even on the roof. The roof actually, it will probably bead water at this point with all the sealant on it. Okay, what's this stuff? This is like a back to black dressing or something like that? Oh, yeah. Blue eraser, blue dressing. Okay, yeah. Cool. So Thomas just hit all the black surfaces with it, and it looks brand new to the mirror. That looks like a good thing to do, right? Ooh, gray to black, just like that. And it even dries and gives it back a little bit of a shine there, a little bit of its luster. Oh man, that's gonna look good. And he just went ahead and hit all the black surfaces with that, and it really cleaned them up. All the black plastics and everything like that, like take a look at the bumper over here. Looks like brand new rubber. I pulled the louvers off real quick too, and we're gonna clean the glass because it is nasty. Look at this. That is the back glass. Now I can wipe it down, get all this dirt out of there, probably finish with a razor blade to get some of the deep set oxidization that's kind of down in there for some reason. Maybe it's like calcium deposits from other water and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna clean up now. The exterior is looking great, and we're gonna hop inside and finish vacuuming everything out, finish getting all the junk out of here. I think I've got everything out of the car other than the change in the center. And Thomas is over here working away, wiping down all the surfaces already.
Should I do like a half and half?
You want to do a 50-50?
Yeah.
50-50 away.
I'll re-wipe that down.
Yeah, seals and all. Nice. Together that 50-50 shot for you, but Thomas got really eager and cleaned up the whole thing. So now we're just gonna get in here with the vacuum and get everything else wiped down. Nice clean door pocket. The glove box is cleaned out. All right, the glove box is ready to wipe down. I'm gonna work on the back while Thomas works on the front. Yeah, I just finished up the vacuuming. Floor mats look pretty good. Got the lines in them and everything. Thomas is finishing up the glass right now. And I got a lot of the double-sided tape down. A little bit of this double-sided tape down. I found more LEDs underneath the dash. Got all those ripped out. Time for the after montage. We did a sorted before, but the after is the one that matters, so let's go. This is the professional detail it deserved. getting that content over there. I think tonight was a success. And that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Plus, huge shout out to Thomas for helping out. We got a ton of work done. I mean, it looks incredible. Plus, he was doing all the detailing while I was doing the Huracan decals anyway. I'm freaking excited, dude.
I know, dude. I think you need to repaint it. You have my vote.
Please, no. I don't want that bill.
It's just money.
Right.